Imagine not having to pull weeds in your yard. Now imagine owning 30,000 acres of land and having leases from the federal and state governments for another 50,000 acres, and how many weeds need to be pulled or sprayed. We built a drone to automate spraying of weeds for ranch land. Commercial solutions exist for crops, but ranches are neglected by all the big drone players. We're working with a New Zealand rancher who is sponsoring this entire project and acting as our subject matter expert. We built out an artificial intelligence-based computer vision system to recognize two weeds, one in New Mexico and one in New Zealand, and drive a pump to spray just that weed. We ran an AM radio ad and have a New Mexican rancher interested. We can spray 1.5 liters and need to be able to spray 30 liters per acre for New Mexico and 50 liters per acre in New Zealand. So we need to build a vastly bigger drone and overcome all the engineering challenges there before we can make this into a commercially viable service and then product. If you're interested, please talk with me more. I'm Brian with the Point Spraying Drone Builders.